Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to set permissions for a static website hosted on Amazon S3 bucket. If you have a website that consists of just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, you can host it on S3 bucket and make it accessible to the public. However, by default, S3 buckets are private, so you need to set the appropriate permissions to make your website available to everyone. Let's get started. So first, I'll go to the My S3 bucket and choose the permission tab. Here, then permission tab. Then here, I click on edit button in block public access. Then uncheck the block all public access and then click on save changes. Here need a confirmation. I enter confirm, then click confirm. Now I need to go back to the permission tab and then choose the bucket policy, then press the edit button. Here, I just need to copy the bucket policy here. And just don't forget to change the bucket name here, your bucket name. So this is my bucket name. I'm going to change this one. Then I'm going to save it. You can find the code in the video description below. And so I think, let me check here. Yes, I think that's all. And my static website hosted on S3 bucket is now publicly accessible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. The bucket policy code in this video you can find in description below, so make sure to copy and paste it correctly, and don't forget to change your bucket name. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section. See you in the next video.